Hey guys, welcome back to our final video from our first season on board Amari. On this episode we're going to get the boat ready for winter, do a few small jobs and say goodbye to Laura as she goes home to work. And the first job we need to do is get our sails down. So yeah, let's get into it.
You look so small beside it. So we've got a helper.
Where you need to move.
You having fun with it? He does not care. Hipper. Now he's trying to find his ball. Oh, good boy. Oh, you don't go through that way. Where is it? That was an ordeal. Got a bit of advice and figured out the better way to get it off the boat. And now here we are.
And Laura's talking very quiet because she seems to think the whole world's watching and nobody's here.
Everyone's watching us everyone can see everything on a boat. People are watching us.
Okay, so sails down and we've just lifted the dinghy out and we're going to start the cleaning process because over the last 4 months it's gotten so dirty. So yeah, that's turned into a bit of a priority, so let's go do that. Right, so while Laura is cleaning the dinghy, I have taken it upon myself to fix or to locate a leak that we've got. And with all that rain that we had last week, this area here developed a really bad leak. And you can see the stain in here, just the whole way along. Each of these plugs was leaking, it was leaking from underneath. So I pretty much need to take this whole panel off. As you can see, it kind of comes off like that. But this wooden handle needs to come off first. In order to do that, there are some screws, but covering the screws is this trim. So the trim is now off, and now I'm just going to take the screws off, take the whole handle off, take the whole panel off, and then see what crack is back there, while also trying to dodge the dogs. They don't make it easy. It's like Inception. So you get that panel off, and then there's more screws to take this next panel off, and then there's more screws to take the next panel off. Right, so that is both the panels off, and now it's just the one big thing here, which will probably come straight off, and then we can find this lake super duper easy. Right, so we've got all this down and took the blind off as well, and it seems to be just the whole way along the bottom. So the assumption is the entire window is just leaking, so we're just going to reseal it. But before that, Laura will do a wee clean up. But yeah, I'm not entirely sure if it's just as simple as reseal the window. This was an issue even when we first got the boat, and I think the windows were sealed then, so we'll see. Okay, so it's the last sunny day we've got until we've got what, 3 or 4 days of rain happening. So we're going to do this window, just seal it up, and I don't know if this is where the lake is. It could be anywhere. But we'll start with this and we'll see what the next 2 or 3 days has for rain and see if it leaks through. So yeah, it's this window here. So it could be here along this edge, or it could be the actual sealant here. So today we'll do here, seal that up. If that doesn't work, we'll go back and do the black part. Hopefully this fixes our first problem. So this is our first. This is a good start to the boat jobs. Right, that's enough. Let's go.
Not the tidiest, but it'll do for winter.
Well, we'll see. We'll see if it stops the leak. But there could be so many things that causes this. This is the problem. It's not like it's what everyone says. Is the leak is typically where you don't think it is. Like it's further in or further up the boat or something. It could literally be any, it could be a screw hole,
It could be here.
yeah, it could be literally anywhere. It could be, there's screws up here on the deck, it could be anything. So that's part of the issue, is this is just the first, most obvious thing to try, so we'll see. Hopefully it does something. Right, okay, so we're fast forwarded a few days now since our last, since we fixed the window, which is fixed. We had loads of rain yesterday and it seems to have solved itself. Now we've just got the one problem with this window. I'm not entirely sure how to fix that. But yeah, today is Laura's last full day here. She leaves tomorrow, and so we're just trying to get all the Laura jobs done, which includes washing the dogs. Alright.
Sorry?
Getting all the Laura jobs done.
Yeah. All the washing's done. They're getting washed and groomed. Then I need to groom you.
I'm getting a groom.
Get your hair groomed.
Hey.
Don't you shake. Why do you do that? Shakes every time the water goes on her. Can you not wait until I'm done and then shake?
Ellie, shake.
No, don't shake. No. Ah!
So yeah, she leaves in the morning, and that's when the work begins. I have to try and do all the editing and try and get some big jobs done while she's gone, and also look after the dogs. So yeah, she's gone for 6 weeks and she's a little bit emotional about it. Groom 1 and 2 done, and now it's time for number 3.
You need to smile for the camera. Stay for the camera. Can't.
3.
Stay. Good boy. There we go. I'm not okay. Why are you crying?
Well, time to go.
No, I really don't want to go.
Right, come on.
Right, go on up. We're going now. Go on.
So we've got to walk to the bus station first, which is about
Oh, we're so
30
bright.
minutes away.
The sun's on us.
And then it's time to say goodbye. Right, let's go. Look, we're gonna be late.
Oh, okay.
Gonna be late.
Okay. Ellie, give me your radio.
Alright. Well, I think we're just gonna finish this one here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, and just like that, our season has come to an end. I just wanted to film this and just say thank you to every single person who has watched, who has liked, commented, subscribed, and heck, even if you've supported us in any way, thank you so much. You have no idea how much it means to us to keep pushing on and doing these videos. And yeah, we are so excited to start our next season, which is in real time in 2 weeks' time. It's currently the middle of March. We leave here at the end of March and it's going to be incredible. We cannot wait to share it all with you. But until then, we have 2 more videos still to go up, which are a little bit different. And yeah, thank you so much. Honestly, it's kind of crazy. We've only been making these videos for about 6 months, maybe if even maybe 5 months, and yeah, to get the support that we've gotten and people like coming back week after week after week, it's kind of crazy, and hopefully this year we can do so much more and so much better than what we did last year, and our biggest goal is to try and keep on top of things and be on time. We got a lot of questions whether or not we filmed over winter, and we didn't. There's 2 reasons for that. The first reason was that I've been on my own for almost 3 months of this, which has been fine, but it's hard to make content by myself for, you know, so much going on. So that was the first reason. But the bigger reason was actually because we want to make this channel as real time as possible, maybe, you know, 2 weeks behind. All of last year we were 4 or 5 months behind, and it's simply because our laptop broke at the start of the season and we couldn't edit. So this year we really wanted to try and make an emphasis on being in real time, or as close to it as possible. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So yeah, we're going to really try and work on that this year and hopefully stay on top of it. But yes, again, thank you so much for watching. I want to finish this video just with some clips of Laura surprising her family back at home. A lot of other people knew, friends and family knew, but her family did not know, and it was all a big surprise. So here's some clips of that, and yeah, we'll see you back here next week for a very different video. That's as much as I can say now. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. See you later. Bye.
So, after 2 days in London, I've finally flown into Belfast this morning, and I'm now currently sitting outside my brother's house, where my mum and dad are babysitting my little nephew. Oh, I'm about to go surprise him. I'm nervous. Surprisingly, I'm nervous to go see them. I don't know how they're going to react. Let's go surprise my parents.
Hello. Oh.